Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to perform calibration of the Climatronic unit. So you need to turn the ignition on. There's no need to turning the engine on, just the ignition on is fine. And now locate the AC button and the front vent. Press and hold those two at the same time and keep them pressed for a few seconds. Okay. And right now the calibration is performed, and while we're waiting I will try to explain what this actually do. It will move all the vent flaps on all the air direction flaps to the max positions, all the way to the left, to the right, up and down, depending on how the movement looks, and it will relearn, recalibrate the end positions it's done to make the Climatronic system work flawlessly. If you have issues like clicking under the dashboard, or air distribution is not right, or you have hot air on one side and cold on the other one when you set it differently, you can try to fix that with this simple procedure. Just press and hold the AC and front vent, those two buttons, for a few seconds. The calibration will start, and after 20 seconds it's done. You can check if the problem is gone. If so, then you are good to go. If not, then most likely you have some hardware issues, and you need to disassemble the car and try to replace broken thing. And to find out what exactly is wrong with your car, of course you should use diagnostic tools like VCDS, OBD11, or anything else that is capable of reading trouble codes from all VAG modules. Okay, so that's it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and check my other videos about Volkswagen and other brands, and see you soon.